Welcome to Simplify Mobile. Thank you for joining the channel. I'm out here doing a brake inspection on a 2019 Chevy Tahoe. And one thing I noticed when I came in, I was talking to a customer. I noticed that these wheel studs or wheel nuts are all loose. There's 3 of them. I know she was concerned because she kept hearing a kind of like a thumping sound. Well, if these wheels are not obviously bolted down and torqued correctly, you'll definitely gonna hear some noise. But we're gonna take a look at the brakes and see how they look. All right, so I just took this brake caliper off. As you guys can tell, this bad boy is saturated, so it's definitely got a leak. See the back. Now we just gotta find if it's the seal from the piston that's leaking, or see where it's coming from. But it's definitely got a leak somewhere, and the only probable spot has to be that seal on the piston, because the line looks fine. Let's take a look at the brake line. Now if it was a brake line, it would, most likely, depending how bad it was, it would definitely lose pressure. That brake pedal will go all the way down. But it looks like it's something internally here. I'm gonna keep looking and see what I find. So I'm checking the thickness of the brake pads, and as you guys can tell, these bad boys are like at 10 millimeters thick. Well, the inner is slightly less, like we're looking at 10.8 maybe, but it's still absolutely in good condition as far as thickness is concerned. So brake pads are fine. The issue is that seeping oil that we have to find. That's the issue. But the brake pads definitely have enough thickness, plenty of life left. All right, so I just removed the rotor. As you guys can tell, the inside is soaked with oil. So it's definitely not the brake caliper that's leaking. This definitely is a seal, wheel bearings. This axle shaft seal. As you guys can tell, this is where the source of the leak is. You guys can see the emergency brake pads, they are full. This is brake grease. Hi. So I'll bring you guys back. All right, so the conclusion of this brake inspection pretty much was trying to find out where that leak was coming from. It's definitely not coming from the caliper. We ended up coming from the actual axle seal that goes in here. It's leaking oil, and all this is gear oil from the differential. It's got the emergency brake shoes all coated in there. The actual inside of the rotor, as you guys can see, it's coated with that differential axle gear oil, and also the brake caliper, because the brake caliper mounts here. So there's no lip like this, it's just here. So through centrifugal force, that gear oil is splashing this way. It's coming out, and it's going to land all over that brake caliper. Also, we found that there was a couple of wheel nuts that were loose, and we can see this shiny area here. This is where the actual wheel was wobbling, and that was the source of that thumping sound that the customer heard when she was driving at low speeds. So we're going to torque the wheel nuts to specifications and make sure these wheel studs don't get loose again on this customer. But that's the conclusion. Thank you for joining me. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. What would you do different? And see you guys on the next one.